We're in Cinnaminson, New Jersey at the February 23rd, 2025 open house of the Burlington County Model Railroad Club. This HO scale layout is called the Rancocas Valley Lines. It includes urban, countryside, and industrial areas, and a carnival. Passenger and freight trains were running, pulled by steam, electric, and diesel locomotives. I was impressed with the breadth and quality of locomotives, rolling stock, and scenery elements in this tightly packed area. The GG1 electric locomotives were my favorites, since I recall seeing Penn Central GG1s in service when I was young.
Running the railroad the way it was designed. Westbound, 3 engineers here, 3 eastbound there, watch the monitors and the signals. No. Okay, right. All right, now the other thing we're going to do it.
The Burlington County Model Railroad Club was founded in 1979 in Palmyra, New Jersey, and moved into its Cinnaminson location in 1985. As of April 2020, there were 25 members.
John, what's the signal?
Red. All right.
I'm pulling out westbound, brother.
You hear me?
No, I'm pulling out westbound.
If you are in the area and are interested in joining this model railroad club or learning more about it, check out the website bcmrc.org or email bcmrc.rvl@gmail.com.
I heard that.
Try to catch up my stuff.
I'm pretty sure high 7 added that on this.
Exactly, knock on wood.
Let me get my phone to the contract.
Oh, yeah, Brad. I forgot that was his name. I just put that in so hard.
Oh yeah, I think you're good now.
We put a sympathy back to going after us.
If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons to help it get shared.